You know, in mathematics, we can use this as a division sign. We can use this, or even this column. They are all division sign. It depends on how you want to use them. Hello, everyone. After going through my comment box, I realized 90 to 95% of the people facing challenges with that B in BODMAS are Nigerians. And this problem started right in the classrooms. We, the teachers, were taught wrongly, and we're still teaching the students wrongly. And that is just it. You can see a math teacher asking me this question: what is the value of 9 divided by 3b, given that b is equal to 3? I know where he is targeting. He thought maybe the whole of 3b is a single number. No, 3 is a number, b is also a number. Remember, at elementary level, we said that algebra is the use of letters to represent numbers. Therefore, that b is a number, and the relationship between the 3 and the b is multiplication. So I will not answer you right now till the end of this discussion. For now, I would like to invite English teachers. Please let us go through these 3 sentences. Though they are exactly the same, but I'm going to use comma to differentiate them. We know a comma is a comma. Wherever it is placed, it remains a comma, right? So we have sentences here. They are all exactly the same. A woman without her husband is nothing. So I would like to place a comma here after woman for the first sentence, and also another one here after her. So you can see the statement reads, a woman without her husband is nothing, which implies that the husband is nothing without the woman. So I want English teachers to mark me either right or wrong. Then the second one, I would like to place a comma here, then another one here after the husband. So it reads, a woman without her husband is nothing, which implies that the woman is nothing without her husband. Am I right or wrong? Then the last one, if I should place a comma here immediately after woman and leave everything like that, it reads, a woman without her husband is nothing. So this sentence, the last one, is ambiguous, if I'm right, because it could be referring to the woman or the husband. Am I right? So the same thing is applicable to division sign. It depends on where you place it. It can change the meaning of that statement, that mathematical statement. So let me give you 2 instances. You know, in mathematics, we can use this as a division sign. We can use this, or even this column. They are all division sign. It depends on how you want to use them. So if I have 9 divided by the whole of 3 multiplied by 3, and another one, 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, you should know that this is not equal to this. They are not the same. Just like this previous sentences, comma is a comma, but because the commas are placed in different direction or positions, the meaning of the sentence change. Likewise here, the meaning of these expressions or statements will change depending on where you place the division sign. For this one, you can see it will be what? 9 divided by 9, because this is 9 as well. And this will give us what? 1. Coming here, you have to follow the rule of BODMAS. We have division and we have multiplication. According to the BODMAS, you have to start with anyone that comes first among division and the multiplication. Since division comes before multiplication, you have to divide. And this will give us 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3, this is 9, right? Well, let me write it step by step. 9 divided by 3 is 3, then times 3, this is equal to 9. You can see they are not exactly the same. So it depends on where you place the division sign. And for you, let me come back to you as a teacher. You have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. Remember, all your students trust you. So whatever you say, that's what they will believe. So you said that given that 9 divided by 3b, for which b is equal to 3. This is substitution. This will be 9 divided by 3, but b is 3. You should know that the relationship between any number outside a bracket and a bracket itself is what? Multiplication. The b in BODMAS does not mean to expand the bracket, rather to simplify what is right inside that bracket. But inside the bracket, we only have 3, nothing to simplify. So you can break it into 9 divided by 3 then times 3, which is the same thing as the previous one, right? This one, it will give you 9. So this is second to the last video. Anticipate the last one.